So all in all, from my original diagnosis of thinking, why do you need it? Like, you can read a multimeter, yes you can, but it is actually hard to get them on there unless you've got the clips and stuff like that. So actually, it seems like a pretty decent addition to your toolbox, if you know what I mean. If you want to be checking out batteries and things, if people are complaining they've got an intermittent problem, you can check the charge rating, you can check the crank rating, you can check the condition of the battery. So all in all, good job on that one, Top Don. So, hey everybody, and welcome to the video. So today we are going to be talking about battery testers, and in particular we're going to be talking about the Top Don BT100. Okay, so this was sent to me by Top Don. They said to me, hey, we've got a product we want you to do a review on. If you like it, you know, give us some good feedback, you know, tell the public about it if it's any good or not. So I did go and have a look online. There is a few other people doing reviews on this, so go check out their ones as well. And so this is, it's brand new, out of the pack. I haven't opened it or anything like that. They're going for on Amazon for about £40 to £50, depending on what it is. So yeah, so basically it monitors the health of your battery and potential issues. First thing I was thinking about, like the product, probably why I've never bought one before now, is the fact that I'm a mechanic of 20 years and I know how to check the health of a battery. Really, how you check the health of a battery is with a multimeter. That's how you do it, you know. You should know how much voltage you should have in your battery. You should know what is a good charge voltage for your alternator and everything like that. So if you don't, and you just want to have a look, in simple terms of telling you, you know, good, bad, charge, then it's to say this is for you. If you don't know anything about cars but you think you've got a dicky battery, pick up one of these. You know, it is probably cheaper than buying another battery, so it's definitely worth having from that point of view. So yeah, that's why I think you'd probably want to buy one. So if you don't know much about cars and you want to check it, this is the product for you. If you're in the trade and you know about cars, not sure how much use or point there is to this, but we'll have a look. We'll open it up, we'll see what's what. So we've got Ford Focus here, customer's car we're going to be doing a service on. Let's open it up, see what we got. So in the back here, instruction manual, user manual, decent amount of cabling, some packaging. Check that in the bin for recycling. Check that in the bin for recycling. Let's have a look at the product overview for what we've got. So yeah, handheld, pretty small. We've got obviously like a protection on the screen. There we go, take that off. So you check see how much cable we get with it. Right, so we get, what do you reckon, a meter from end to end. Crocodile clips, pretty decent crocodile clips if I'm honest with you. A lot of times they're so flimsy, you know, and useless, they'll snap on one go, but these feel alright if I'm honest. They feel like a good strength. Right, let's see what it's going to do, shall we? Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to plug it onto some batteries that I've got down there in the corner, and we'll do a check and see how they're all different reading from that point of view, okay? So we'll shut down the lid on the snap-on box. So let's go with the one I know is good for now, okay? Let's put these on here. So I'm going to put it on and we'll look together. Screen power's on. Battery tester, 12.73 volts. Okay, so what else can we do? Enter. Battery test. Charging test. Enter. Oh, I've got to start the engine. Right, okay, can't do that. Cranking test, can't do that. Okay, so we can do cranking test. Battery test. Asks us about the battery, what it is. This is the thing, if you know what your battery has, if you know that yours is a regular flooded, an AGM flat plate, a gel or an EFB, like if you can actually understand any of that, then you probably won't need to use this because you already know like what you're looking for with a multimeter. So, you know, this is just a standard regular flooded battery, so we'll press enter. Oh, so EN, and it's a 550. So now it's testing. So I put in the specifications of the battery on here. So it's an EN 550 amp. So by doing that, it's giving me an overall health report on the battery. So it's saying that the battery is good, it's a good battery. It gives me a healthy 76%. And so it's got 481 amps, and it should be 550, so 76%. Charge is 100%, which is good. And rated 550, so it's a good battery. Right, that's interesting to know. That is some interesting information I wasn't expecting to see out. And look, it's even got the indication light to let us know that it's a good battery. Right, let's take that off. Let's do another one. So this is, again, this is a DIN. Oh, here we go. So 11.47 this has got in this battery. So we'll do a battery test again. It's regular flooded. So on the batteries, you'll have a number like 12 volts, 59 amp, 320 amp, DIN. So then we go down until we find DIN, press enter. So what did I say, was it 320, yeah? So this is a 320, and we'll go enter. Power too low. Whether to continue testing. Whether to continue testing. Do you want to continue testing? Enter. So we'll just do a test on it anyway. It's a bit of a translation difference there, I think. So, this is saying health 0, 19 amps when it should be 320 amps. Internal 0. But it says charge, so it doesn't actually say bad, it just says charge. So we've got a good battery, needs a charge. By the conditions of it, obviously that looks like it's a manky old battery, so they're both probably pretty knackered. But if it's saying that it could do with a charge, we'll try that one out from there. Right, so now we'll do a check on this battery here. So this is an EN 520, so regular. EN 520. What it did actually do is it saved the last one I did. The last one I did was a 550, and when I originally went to EN it was at 500, so it did save that. Enter, so we're going to do a test. I mean, imagine I'll probably say it's a good battery. It says it's a good battery, but it says the health is 55% actually, which is interesting. It's got 384 amps draw through from it. Yeah, so it's only saying 55% health. So for that point, if you wanted to use it as a selling point for batteries, like you can say that your battery's 55%, you know, but it's running good currently now, you might need to look at getting a new one in the future. Interesting. Right, so cranking test. Start engine. Being a Ford, the key is always in the front. Right, did that, running the test. So the cranking test, we did 10 point normal, so it comes up with normal. Charging test, start the engine and press enter. Oh, we've got a ripple test on here, so it gives you a wave pattern. Loaded testing. It does a bit of self-loading testing, which is quite good. Increase the RPM and keep it alive for 5 seconds. We'll do that. Right. Press enter to continue. See what this does. Load value 1441, that's pretty good. Ripple 15, charging normally. There we go. Turn this off. So all in all, from my original diagnosis of thinking, why do you need it? Like, you can read a multimeter, yes you can, but it is actually hard to get them on there unless you've got the clips and stuff like that. So actually, it seems like a pretty decent addition to your toolbox, if you know what I mean. If you want to be checking out batteries and things, if people are complaining they've got an intermittent problem, you can check the charge rating, you can check the crank rating, you can check the condition of the battery. So all in all, good job on that one, Top Done. So If you're interested in one, as I say, I'll put the link through on Amazon. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next one.